Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I have an electronic drill here and I'm going to show you how you can attach this driver bit into this machine, because that's how you're going to start using it. So before I proceed further, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So the very first thing is this opening. This has to come out, so that again this can vary based on the tool and brand you use, so that it can get in and lock it itself. Okay guys, so we need to expose this lock outside in order to attach this driver bit. So what I have done, I have attached the battery so that now it is ready to use, and you need to hold this area and press slightly. You see it is coming out. Okay, so that is what we have to do. So now I change the direction and you see it is opening slightly. So it has opened a bit. Now I'll see if I can go. No, still I cannot. I need to hold a bit. Yeah, now still not. Of course it requires some practice. Now almost. Okay, now it has gone. Now what I need to do, I need to change the direction and do it. Yeah, so now it is ready to be used. Now this is a driver bit, so I have set it on driver bit. Now I can use it to attach screws. Now once this is fixed and I am no longer holding it, you can change the direction. You see in which direction it is going now, and now it is going in the other direction. So in this way you can do it. So it's just a very basic thing, like you need to hold this and get the lock to work. Again, I'm repeating the process. So I'm gonna hold this. You see, I just held this and this came out. I put it back, hold it and change the direction and lock it. But yeah, it's good to do it slowly. Yeah, see, now it is locked. It's very simple, and that is how it works guys. So let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.